When mask hides the truth. Watch closely, not everything is as it seems. The mask slips, and the truth hits hard. Sit back and watch 6 wild encounters unfold. Case 1, on December 7, 2023, in Washington Heights, New York. Police responded to calls about a suspicious vehicle on the Henry Hudson Parkway. When officers approached the scene, 19-year-old Alec Perez exited the car and pointed a BB pistol at them, triggering a rapid exchange of gunfire.
What's up, man? Oh! 3 Davis, shots fired! Central, shots fired! Oh! 177 Haven!
Perez survived and was treated at the hospital before facing multiple charges. Despite using only a BB gun, his actions led to a swift and dangerous response from both officers. Perez charged with reckless endangerment and menacing. Case 2, in Denton, Texas, on a Monday afternoon, 25-year-old Joseph Augustini was seen running through traffic covered in black paint. When confronted by police, he made bizarre claims and was found holding a pipe with drug residue.
Said you got a call about me acting weird. Technically said you got a call about jaywalking. I didn't say jaywalking. I want the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God. Where did you say nothing but the truth?
What I told you back there was I was just trying to understand the makeup. That was curious on my part, just to understand. And I asked you, and you said, walk with me and we'll talk.
I'm being stopped
so
from going to my
I walked with you. No,
I'm being accosted by you.
You invited me to walk with you,
the whole truth and nothing but the
I
truth.
walked
Take
up
off
here
your
with
gun
you.
Because I don't trust you.
I walked up here with you.
Take off your gun and
So-
tell me I'm free to go right now.
I walked up here with
Tell me
you
I'm
because you
free to
invited
go
me to walk
right
with
now.
you.
Tell me I'm free to go right now. Take off your
I'm
gun.
just going
I
to
don't
move out of the
trust
way
you.
so this lady
Take
can...
off your taser. I don't trust you. Tell me I'm free to go right now.
Our presence here is just part of a conversation.
Tell me I'm free to go right now. I don't
We
trust
started down
any
there
of
where
you.
my car is.
Why are you in my circle right now? I don't trust any of you. Why are you in my circle right now? Tell me I'm free to go. I don't trust you. I'm being accosted for walking down the sidewalk. I want the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you 3 God.
I can go back to the beginning of this call, and that's as far as I can go back, because that's when my interest in someone dressed like you began.
I'm allowed to break the law. I'm allowed to break the law.
I have no response to that.
Tell me I'm free to go.
No.
Why not?
X-ray 44, you wanted a box?
We don't yet understand why you're behaving this way.
X-ray 44, 10-9.
We don't know.
The solution to that isn't to put me in your little box in jail. It's to let me be who I am and do what I'm doing on Earth freely. Do you understand that, yes or no? Tell me I'm free to go and give me time. Don't put me in your box where I'm isolated. I want to kill myself in that little jail cell. Tell me I'm free to go now.
Are you suicidal, though?
Yes, I'm suicidal.
You are.
No. It's 4 on 1, and I don't have a gun, and all 4 of you have guns.
We're just trying to
So take off your guns, because this is not a fair fight.
Well, that's not an option. We're not here to fight either.
So are you thugs? Are you thugs here to assassinate me? Yes or no?
We don't fight.
Are you trying to assassinate me? Yes or no?
You want some kind of narcotics or something?
No.
You're not.
Yes or no? Are you trying to assassinate me right now? N.O. For the court reporter. Honorable Judge Clark will be presiding. Acree, Weber, Polk, and your name?
Bruce.
Bruce? Okay, that's the first name. I don't want to go to court. I don't want to take any of you to court because I don't give a rat about your I'm in my circle.
I'm gonna. Hey.
No.
Yep. Hey.
No.
We're gonna take you first thing.
Whoa.
Right?
Whoa. I need a witness! need a witness!
Okay, grab that glass out of his hand.
Is it a pop?
Yeah.
I need a witness!
Got it.
Are you trying to assassinate me right now, Denton Police, Texas? Yes or no?
They're not. What is that?
Why are you in my circle?
Looks like it.
Casing or something?
Looks pretty clean.
Okay.
There's a little bit of stuff.
Come over here, you're detained. Whoa, hey.
Let's walk.
You gonna walk?
You gonna walk?
Alright. You gonna drag him? You want me to pick him up?
Let's sit him down for now.
I'm currently being assaulted sexually by Denton Police! I'm currently being assaulted by Denton.
Augustini was arrested without further incident and taken to jail. His behavior raised safety concerns for both drivers and responding officers.
No!
Charged with public intoxication and drug paraphernalia. Case 3, on February 3rd, 2025. In Fairfax, Virginia, a false 911 call led police to a disturbing encounter. A 16-year-old suspect ran at an officer and stabbed him during the confrontation before being taken into custody.
You stuck? No. Give me your hand! You alright?
The injured officer was treated and released, while the teen now faces serious charges. His false call and violent actions escalated the response dramatically. Teen charged with malicious wounding remains in custody. Case 4. In Crawfordsville, Indiana, police mistook a film scene for a real robbery when they saw a masked man exit a bar holding what appeared to be a firearm. Officers opened fire before realizing it was all part of a low-budget movie shoot.
Drop the gun now! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! We're doing a movie. Excuse me? Step back! Step back! Step back! We're doing a movie. Step back! Step back! Step back now. Get down on the ground. Stepping back. Get down on the ground. Hey, you guys better get out here, man. No. Hey, stay inside! Stay inside! Stay inside! We're filming a movie. I ain't lying to you. You guys know me. Hold on real quick. Yeah, go around.
Thankfully, no one was hurt, and the near miss served as a wake-up call for both filmmakers and police about better communication during public filming. No charges filed. Incident ruled a misunderstanding. Case 5. On September 17, 2024, in Stark County, Ohio, deputies encountered a masked man with a knife. After a short foot chase and a taser deployment, they were able to bring the situation under control without injuries.
Drop it! Drop that knife! Stop! 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 Get down! Still got the knife! Still has the knife! Starcom taser deployed! Stop, resist! Stop! Turn this one up!
He's got all kinds of stuff on him.
Watch your finger.
It's in his shirt.
Oh, God.
There you go. Good.
Third time one detained.
The suspect, 35-year-old Jacob Weisgarber, faced multiple charges and was also wanted on several outstanding warrants. His actions caused a major scare along a busy highway. Weisgarber charged with menacing, panic, and resisting arrest. Case 6. On May 21, 2022, in the Bronx, a dispute escalated when 60-year-old George Rivera returned to the scene wearing a ski mask and fired a gun at a group of people. Police later encountered him armed, and when he pointed his weapon at an officer, shots were fired.
2002.
Where is it? King.
Come on, come on.
Where?
Real quick,
3-year-old
¿Qué pasó, primo?
5.1, what consider what?
Where? Where? Hey! Put it down! Put it down! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! 3 David. Shots fired, Central.
Come over here. Come over here.
Down!
What did they? Shots fired, shots fired. No one, equal 7-4. Nobody.
Put your arms behind you. Put it! Nobody's hurt, Central. In custody.
What did they? Shots fired. Nobody.
We're gonna have a white male, white tank top. He has it. He has it. 174. 174. He has it in his hand.
Where?
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Come over here! Come over here! Come over here! Come over here! Keep your hands! Keep your hands!
Put it!
Rivera wasn't hit but was arrested at gunpoint. His earlier gunfire had struck a vehicle, and he now faces several serious charges including attempted murder.
Where?
Rivera charged with attempted murder and weapon possession.